Good morning. I'm back down at Victoria Channel. It's Saturday the 27th of November. It's quite breezy, it's quite raw. Temperature probably was about 4 or 5 degrees. I'm on the motorbike, yes, I'm mad. HMS Caroline is in here and sweeping round. I'm not going to give you a video of a cruise ship because there ain't any in, but there's a couple of cargo vessels, and I noticed this big one and I thought it was worth filming to give you some idea of the cargo vessels that come into Belfast all the time. And this is a particularly good example, and it's massive. That's Game of Thrones film studios in there, and they're obviously doing some set construction over here, and I don't want you to see, maybe. I don't know what they're doing there, but that looks like a set. Anyway, this is the Kona. We'll see what it is. The Kona Trader. And she's a big, don't know any details about her, just noticed her there this morning. I was in doing a wee message and I spotted this. Now, it's probably not the biggest cargo vessel that I've come across down here, but it's pretty big, pretty big. I hate the way these cargo vessels are all painted, you know, the red and the black. It is so boring, but I presume that's what they have to paint themselves to, you know, be recognised at sea as cargo vessels. So it's bright and cheerful this morning after yesterday's storm Aram or whatever it was, and the day before as well, and all night. So it's boy, is it nippy. I'll go home and check this the Kona Trader out for you. See where it comes from and who owns it and stuff, what the length of it is. So back to the bike and up home.